Right? It really was.
I don't think so.
It was good chases.
Yeah, true that.
I just wondered like how horrifying it was just to hear the chainsaw, then the nurse, like right after that. I'm like,
Yeah, just appear out of nowhere.
it'd be the scariest thing ever.
Dude, they need to make this darker, you know? Just make it full of, like, you can't see shit, you know?
All right. Let's see. Who are we going to get today? Dude. Oh, we got some scouts here. People are going fast. Let's have some fun, people. I can't wait to get some, some traps down, some scariness.